What are street dogs? There are basically two types. The neighborhood dog and what I call the wandering dog. The neighborhood dogs are pups that stay in a 1 or 2 block radius. Some of the people living there will leave out food and water, but the dogs do not belong to any one family. Feeding can be inconsistent and access to fresh water rare. Also, should the dog become sick or injured, there is no medical care. They usually have a pack of 2 and up to 6 dogs. They keep other stray dogs away from that block. They also keep out other pests, like snakes and rats. The other type I call the wanderer. They are the most vulnerable because they have no set area. These are the ones you see in the dumps, getting into garbage cans outside convenience stores, crossing busy streets and highways, the evidence of which we see on the side of the road almost weekly. They may have a pack, but it is usually small. Just like in any city, if they wander into the wrong neighborhood, it can end badly. These are the ones I worry about the most. A bad day of dumpster diving can quickly lead to dehydration and/or eventually starvation. Both sets of dogs face major challenges and are in danger every day. In the summer months, it consistently reaches temperatures of 32 to 37 degrees Celsius or 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Fresh water is scarce. A new mom will have to leave her pups to go and find food and water. Feeding her pups can easily put her own life at risk. But these dogs are so sweet. Any affection they get is warmly received. I have yet to come across an aggressive street dog. Skittish and scared, yes. Not everyone appreciates a nuzzle in the hand while waiting at the bus stop. Some of these dogs have learned the hard way what utter shits humans can be. But mostly these are the sweetest creatures, in the most dire need. Because our foster care system is inundated, a sanctuary is desperately needed. So these dogs will know safety, food, fresh water, good health, and plenty of love. Every day we lose dogs to preventable illness, dehydration, car accidents, and abuse. We desperately need your help today. Please consider Street Dogs of Baja, and thank you for watching.